everyone and welcome back to the English class. Today we're going to talk about irregular verbs in the past. You do remember when we talked about regular verbs. So regular verbs in past simple, they end in ed. There is a difference for irregular verbs. So irregular verbs, apart from regular ones, they do not end in ed. They change the form when we are using them in past simple. As you can see on the screen, you've got sentences in positive form, negative, and question, and then adverbial phrases with a go. That's about past simple. Starting from affirmative or positive form, I bought some chocolate. So the verb bought is in present simple, it's buy. The negative form, I didn't have my bus pass. So again, we use did, didn't for negative form, and the main verb comes in infinitive or base form. The same with the question form. Did you eat all the chocolate? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. And the adverbial phrases with go are 2 hours ago, 2 weeks ago, a week ago, a day ago, or I left the house 2 hours ago. You do remember the conversation that we listened in the previous class. It was between Tom and Emma, and Tom was explaining why he was late, and the explanation was to Emma. So the words in red are irregular verbs, and they are in past simple already. Let's make a list of all of them. So it's said, left, say, went, did, run, got, had, bought, and ate. Now, shall we write the infinitive form of each one, starting from said to the ate, then? Okay, we have say, and in past is said, leave, and past left, see, saw, go, went, do, did, run, ran, get, got, have, had, buy, bought, and eat, ate. Verbs can also be regular and irregular, some of the verbs, and you can see those verbs that are regular, can be regular and irregular. It's burn, dream, learn, and smell. They can end in ed or as regular ones, or in t as irregular one. Burn, burned, or burned. Dream, dreamed, or dreamt. Learn, learned, learned. Smell, smelled, smelt. And verbs that have the same form in present, past, and past participle are bet, bet, cut, hit, hurt, let, quit, read, set, shut, and spread. But the verb read is pronounced differently in past simple. Read, read. Let's have some exercises with the past simple of the irregular verbs. Let's fill the gaps using the verbs in brackets. It's a conversation between Emma and Jody, so let's read the conversation and fill the gaps. What did you do yesterday? Tom and I, it's the verb go, and the verb go in past is went. Tom and I went to Tower Bridge. Great. We've got the verb get and the pronoun you. Did you get an amazing view from the top of it? Well, it's C in the brackets, as you can see. We saw the river and a lot of boats, but the negative, and I didn't have my phone or camera with me, so I didn't take any photos. Oh well, next time maybe. What about you? You have again the verb have and the pronoun you. It's a question form. Did you have a good time with Karen? No, we had a really bad weekend. Karen, past form of eat, it's ate. A bad hot dog, and the past form of get, it's got. Really sick. Oh no. And the past form of buy, bought. I bought a new pair of trainers and then I left them on the bus. That's really bad. So now you know the past form of the verbs that we mentioned till now. And the last thing for today is make and respond to apologies. When we try to apologize, for example, for being late, we can use these expressions, sorry I'm late, I'm really sorry I'm late. Of course, there is an explanation that comes after, and when you want to accept the apology, it's that's okay, that's all right, or what happened if we want to get some more information. And the explanation that I mentioned, it's can you believe it, I took the wrong bus, or it might be another explanation, not just the bus. And the respond, it doesn't matter, it's not a problem, never mind, you're here now, not again, and so on. And as homework, you're going to work on your student's book, page 47, exercise 7. You're going to make sentences which are true for you. So this is all about irregular verbs. See you in the next class.